Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see more videos just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will put on the screen, and I will also put a link to them in the description below. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to add transitions to videos on Davinci Resolve. Let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is locate the file of the video or picture on your computer. So you can do that by clicking File, Import, Media, and just locate it anywhere on your computer. But for me, it's on my desktop, so it's easier if I can just drag this, and it's actually right here. And let's drag this over here. And the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the Edit tab, and let's drag the first clip into the timeline and the second clip as well. And what you're going to want to do is make sure you drag the second clip a little bit past the end of the first clip, just like this. There, you see how it went a little bit past the end of the first clip? That's what you want. And then what you're going to want to do is click Effects Library. I already have it open, but if you don't have it open, it's going to look like this. Just click Effects Library and go to Video Transitions. And you can also do audio transitions and other stuff, but this video is going to be about video transitions. All right, so you can scroll down here and look for a transition that you like. Camera shake, circles, cross dissolve. Let's do cross dissolve. So we're going to click and drag this over here, just like that, and it should look something like this. You can also drag this and make it smaller, and it's going to be a lot faster. Or you can drag it to make it longer, but it's going to be a lot slower. And that is it. That is all that you have to do to add transitions to videos on Davinci Resolve. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will put on the screen, and I will also put a link to them in the description below. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.